What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into Uriah Heep. Rain, get over and show giradischi, the turntable giradischi, all the love of the world. Links inside the description. Go show Uriah Heep the love. Shout out to Brad for the request. I appreciate it. Let's go on a journey. Already sounds like it's gonna be a heartbreaker.
It's raining outside, but that's not unusual. But the way that I'm feeling's becoming usual. I guess you could say the clouds are moving away from your days and into mine. Now it's raining inside. It's kind of a shame, and it's getting to me. Happy man, why should you want to waste all my time? The world is yours, but I'm mine.
I told you it was gonna be painful from the jump. I told you that it was gonna be sad. And it is. It started off with it's raining outside, but that's not unusual. To the next verse where now it's raining inside. So it kind of seems like we're finally starting to see how much whatever this relationship was really affected us. And it takes time sometimes for it to really finally sink in that person is taking your energy, your time, your everything away from you. That you're focused on that person, even when you shouldn't be anymore. Maybe the pain used to be just on the outside. It is what it is, superficial. Now it's sank inside. Now it's raining on the inside. I knew it was sad. I knew it was gonna be sad right from the jump, from the very first notes. It's tragic. The people out there go through this on the daily. There's someone out there right now will come to a realization that their relationship is not all it was cracked out to be. They'll come to that realization that, hey, this person has stolen my life away from me. I've seen it happen firsthand, very, very close to me. Very close to me. And it took years to see the damage that had been done.
Rain, rain, rain in my tears, measuring carefully my years. Shame, shame, shame in my mind. See what you've done to my life. See what you've done to my life.
It was heartbreaking, but there was a little bit of a hope in there that this person is taking back their power. It said, "The world is yours, but I am mine. You've taken enough away from me." It sounds like we're finally to the point where we're just gonna say no more. But man, I'm telling you, there's some deep ass songs out there that are just gonna touch people the right way. It actually might make people stop and think about the current situation they're in and maybe make them want to make a change. I'm all for it. Get up and show Uriah Heep the love. Go show the turntable Il Giradischi the love. Shout out to Brad for the request. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you. Tell the next one about the combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.